Hello everyone, today I'm going to test a 1927 radio, getting ready for the next show. So in order to do that, the radio power has a multiple voltage. It has to go through a battery eliminator which is ready to go, but I need to do a connection to the battery eliminator in order to get the radio ready. Before I do that, I need to test something in here. For that, I have a voltage meter ready to go. I'm going to put that here. Power is already connected, and I have a meter and it has to set to voltage and DC. I need to have 6 voltage for this radio at the A plus and connecting to the A minus. So I need to have about 6 voltage, which I'm not sure whether you are able to see. I'm going to turn this voltage meter around so that you can see what I have set. It's 6.02, the closest possible that I can get to. So this is good. I need to have 6 and it's just tiny bit over. Usually we try to be a little lower than that. Then I am good to connect these multiple voltages to the battery eliminator. Is ready. And look at the voltages. I have about like 7 different connections. And then also I need to have these jumpers connected. Of course, I need a screwdriver. All right, let's start with the first one. And I guess it's the green one is coming up. This is the C minus 4.5. 4.5 is right here in the C minus. So it's a tons of connection for this 1927 radio. So I'm just going to do the straight connections first, and the next one is the brown one, and it is 90V plus. So the 90V plus is right here. So I'm just going to do the straight connection first, and then we will talk about the jumpers. 67V plus. So beside the 90. So this battery eliminator is, next one is B40. 22, B plus 22. So the battery eliminator has segments A, B, and C connections, and the next one that I have is C plus. So C plus is right here. All right. Then next one, I do have an A minus and a C plus. A minus, this is where the jumper need to come in. A minus and a C plus. So I'm just going to connect that and a little more tighter because I don't want the cable or the power wire not to come out. And the next one is the A plus. It's the red one. And then A plus has to be connected to the B minus. All right. So I have these jumpers. So these jumpers are going to connect that. This is the smaller wire, so we call them as jumpers. So we are going to connect the first one that I have A plus and B minus. So this is going to go from here. I need some space. So I need to unscrew a little more so that I get a little more space so that they can both go in the same slot. Much better. There you go. So I need to get it tight. Come on, don't move it. All right, I have to do another trick. Just hold it together. All right, tight it up. So it has to go to the B minus. B minus is right at the end, right beside the B plus 22. There you go. Done. One jumper connection. Usually these 19 older radios has jumpers, and the next one is to the C plus. A minus. We need a lot of space so that two kind of connection goes into the one set of connection, and to the C plus. C plus already have another connection, so I'm just going to loosen it up a bit and tighten it together. So to me right now, I have 6 voltage in the A plus, and then all the power voltage connection is connected to the battery eliminator. It's good to go. Next thing, we will see you at the next show.